Kriya for the back. So let's begin. Rub, rub, rub. Take some nice deep breaths as you press the palms firmly together. And then we'll begin to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adigudaname, Jagadagudaname, Satagadaname, Siddhigodadevaname, Adigudaname, Jagadagudaname, Satagadaname, Siddhigodadevaname, Adigudaname, Jagadagudaname, Satagadaname, Siddhigodadevaname. Take a deep breath in. Hold and squeeze the energy up. Surround yourself with light, the light of truth, and exhale, Satnam. And we'll begin. So you're sitting in easy posture. Put your hands in prayer pose. Press together at the center of the chest. You want to bring the left arm up to a 60-degree angle, palm up, as you bring the knees up as high as possible. Clap the hands together, and then do the other side. The right arm goes up, palm up, out to 60 degrees. Back and forth, lifting the knees as high as you possibly can. It's an alternating arms, inhaling as one arm goes up, and exhaling as it goes down, and lifting the knees up forcefully. Make your breath heavy and forceful, and really get into the rhythm of it. This is for the third vertebrae and for the hip bone. We're using the mantra Rogante by White Sun, illuminating the light within. Illuminating your crystalline essence. This is a fantastic exercise series of movements and breath practice, also combining with the mantra sound of HUD, which is the creative essence of the God, and it makes your back and helps your back feel really, really good. It helps to prevent lower back pain, and also is very good to develop your motor coordination. Keep going, powerfully breathing. Inhale and press. Now place your hands and exhale. Place your hands on the hips, and we're going to inhale and exhale as you lower the head to one knee, and then inhale up partially and exhale to the other side. We're going to go wild with this movement, just inhaling and exhaling quite quickly, moving from side to side with the breath. You may not move very far, as you can see as I'm doing in this movement, but believe me, I'm feeling this in my hips and in my spine, particularly in my lower back. So just keep going, use your breath, and just let yourself be very relaxed and wildly moving back and forth. Good. Now inhale up to center. Inhale up to center and squeeze the energy up the spine from the base, the pelvic floor, and exhale. Now cup your hands around the knees and begin to flex the spine forward and back. And move rapidly again. Keep your elbows straight. The breath becomes almost like a breath of fire, but it's slightly slower. This is amazing for generating and circulating the serum of the spine up into the brain. Keep going. Keep the eyes at the third eye point and move your spine, move the rib cage. Keep your chest lifted, your head stays fairly neutral. Powerfully moving, powerfully moving. Keep going with this. Good. Now inhale, center, and exhale, relax. Bring your arms into goalposts. Put your thumb and forefinger together, index and Jupiter finger and Mars, and begin to twist. Inhale left, exhale right. Palms are flat. Good. Keep going. Inhale left, exhale right. Nice. Move rapidly. Let the breath be slightly slower again than breath of fire. Keep going. Good. Come to center. Inhale, exhale. Bring your arms straight out to the sides and begin to flap them up and down, now to the rhythm of breath of fire. Inhaling and exhaling evenly using the diaphragm. Keep your elbows straight. It's very good for the lymph glands, and you're purifying the blood now. Working on our lymph, cleaning out any toxins, any waste. We're assisting it. Purifying the blood in the process. Keep going with that rhythm, connecting, synchronized to the breath of fire. Keep going. Now bring your arms straight out front and continue. Up and down. Good. Keep the elbows straight. No flapping of the wrist. Pumping that lymph system, purifying the blood in the process. Inhale, stretch out, and then exhale. Bring your arms out to the sides, and large circles, begin to move them as if we're doing the backstroke. We're going to be chanting HUD in a brisk monotone, coordinated with the movement. Keep your arms straight throughout, and we'll begin. HUD, 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 HUD. Keep going. HUD, 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 HUD. Inhale, stretch up, and then exhale, relax. Now come to standing, and we're going to be squatting into crow pose. We're going to move up and down. I've got my heels propped up on something because this works best for me to be squatting. Hands on the hips, and we're going to continue to chant HUD with the rhythm of the movement. HUD, 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 HUD. Try not HUD, to bend forward. HUD, do your HUD, best. Keep your spine HUD, straight HUD, as best HUD, as you can. HUD, just HUD, a quick movement HUD, up and down. And HUD, you may not bend very HUD, far down either, HUD, squatting. Just HUD, do your best. HUD, HUD. Keep the spine HUD, straight. HUD. It may HUD, look like my spine HUD, is bending, but it's HUD, not. It's straight. HUD. Keep up. HUD. HUD. Pregnant women HUD, is recommended to HUD, not do this HUD, exercise. HUD. 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 So just keep HUD, going. HUD. HUD. Keep HUD, going. HUD. HUD. Chanting HUD. HUD. Using the tip HUD, of the tongue and the navel. HUD. 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 Powerfully HUD, project. HUD. 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 And then inhale. HUD. Squeeze everything up. Exhale, let it flow back down. And begin to prepare yourself to deeply relax on your back. Just deeply relax. This is the integration. It's very important to let yourself just relax for a couple of minutes. Just melt. There are 3 things to do in life: love, learn, and live. Just to love is not enough. Love isn't everything. If you don't learn, you can't love. You will make mistake after mistake and go through neurosis after neurosis. Love, learn, and live. And when you're ready, take a breath in, start to wiggle the fingers and toes, roll the wrist and the ankles. Bend your knees up to the chest, rub them together, the feet together, rub your palms together, open the arms out in the T, drop the knees to the left, head to the right. Inhale up, exhale, knees to the right, head to the left. Just relax. And then inhale the knees up to center. Hug them in. Gentle rock side to side. Massage the sacrum a little more. And then rock up and back a few times. Just massage the whole spine. Your spine and back should feel like $1,000,000. This is an excellent Kriya to do for the overall whole spinal health, flexibility, and therefore your entire body and being. So bring your hands into prayer mudra, and we'll close. Sat Nam. And in gratitude, Sat Nam.